Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my grade 4 students? This is lesson 10.4. We will learn today how to multiply a whole number like something like 5 multiply by a mixed number. Mixed number like 1.5. So today we will learn how to multiply a whole number and a mixed number. This page as introduction we will make our introduction. The next page is more important. See here, as we said, we have to multiply 5 times 2 and 2/3. So this is the whole number and this is the mixed number. As we can see here, the page 562, it means 2 and 2/3 is repeated 5 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we repeat 2 and 2/3 5 times, or how we multiply 5 and 2/3, we will see the page down. There are two ways. I will select only one way of them. So the most easiest way, I will use it here. Here is the way. How to multiply 5 and 2/3. Does the 5 has denominator? No. So we have to make it as 1. So any whole number, make it over 1 to be like a fraction. How to make this as an improper fraction? Firstly, make 5 over 1, as I said now. Multiply by 2 multiply 3, how many? Firstly, put the 3 down. The denominator do not change, as I said. So the 3, put it here. 2 multiply 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Again, teacher, I didn't understand. So the 5 has no denominator. Make it over 1. 5 over 1. The multiplication sign, put it. How to make this as improper fraction? Just put the 3 down first. This 3, put it down. As the denominator, don't touch, as I said in the class. 2 multiply 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Teacher, now we have as two fractions. Multiply as normal, like this way, as I said. 5 multiply 8 is 40. Over 1 multiply 3 is 3. This is the answer. But did we finish? No. Why? Because I said in the class here, if we have, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, we have to make a long division. If the head is bigger than the body, so we have to do surgery. So our surgery in math is long division. How to make a long division? 40 by 3. Firstly, take the first number, or the 3 goes how many times to be 4? Just one time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Call the 0 down. The 3 goes how many times to be 10? So 3 times, because 3 multiply 3 is 9. Do subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1. As I said before, do circle and arrow. The whole number is 13. That's why I write 13 here as a whole number. And write the fraction is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. That's it. So if you multiply 5 times 2 and 2/3, the answer will be 13 as a whole number and the fraction will be 1/3. So the mixed number will be 13 and 1/3. Teacher, may you repeat for us the long division? Okay, no problem. I will repeat now the long division again. See, please. You have to make sure now that the lesson is so easy. 5 multiply 8 is 40. 1 times 3 is 3. 40 over 3. The head is bigger than the body, so we have to do long division, as I said. Here, 40 divided by 3. Take one digit with this 4. 3 times what is close to B4? 3 times 1 is 3. Do subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. Did we finish? No. Still the 0. Come down, please. Here. Come here. 0. This is 10. The 3, we have to repeat it how many times to be close to 10? I have to repeat it 3 times. Because 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now make a circle and arrow. This is the circle, and this is the arrow. The arrow comes from down to up. The answer is 13 and 1/3. 1 over 3. Do not change the order. Don't say it's 3 over 1. No. You have to stand here and take it 1 over 3. 13 and 1/3. This is the final answer. Okay? Maybe take another question. This is another way you can study it, but the most easiest way is this. We can use it for any problem. So here, for this page, I will just click here to come down. Then I will move the page to the next page. Now page 163. Here some problems. I will use the most easiest way to make sure that every or any student will understand, inshallah. Here, teacher, does the 2 have denominators? No, make it over 1. So write it here, 2 over 1. How to make this as an improper fraction? As I said, keep the denominator 4. Do not change this 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So as a circle, here multiplication, but here add. How teacher multiplication and add? I don't understand. See here, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So now we have 2 normal fractions. Multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 4 is 4. As I said in the last problem, if the head, this is the head and this is like the body. If the head is bigger than the body, you have to do surgery. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, we have to do long division. Teacher, how to make a long division? Here, no problem, we can show it here. 18, put it here. This is the 18, put it here, and the 4, put it outside. This is the dividend, and this is the divisor. 4 goes how many times to be close to 18? 4 times 4. 4 times 4, how many, teacher? 4 times 4 is 16. Do subtraction. 18 minus 16 is 2. Teacher, do a circle? Yeah, do circle and arrow. Circle and arrow here, as we said before. The whole number is 4, so write equals 4 and put the fraction. Oh, from down to up or from up to down? No, from down to up. 2 over 4. Here, that's it. This is our answer. We can do more simplification, but we don't need here. We are in grade 4. Just this is the final answer, okay? Can we do this by the same way? Yes. Just put a line here and do the next page. The next question here. 2. Does the 2 has denominators? No. How I make it as a fraction? Write it 2 over 1. Just I will change the color. 2 over 1. Okay. How to make this as a fraction? As I said, right here multiply and plus. Just write multiply here. This sign, copy it, multiply, and write the 2 down. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this 2 make it over 1 and copy it, 2 over 1. This multiplication sign, copy it again. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. How to multiply? Normal. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Here we can do it without long division. Why, teacher? Because 6 divided 2 is 3. So no need to make it as a long division because the 2 goes 3 times to be 6. So 6 divided 2 is 3. If you have $6 and you have 2 guys, you will give each one $3. So the answer is 3. For this problem, he said find 3 times 1 1/3 using 2 methods. I said we can use only one method, okay? The same way. Does the 3 has denominator? No. Make it over 1 and copy it. 3 over 1. Use the book with me, please. This multiplication, copy it again here, sign here. 1 times 3. Firstly, teacher, you forgot. You must copy the 3 down here first, see? 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So, teacher, again, how we got the 4? Here multiply and here plus. 1 times 3, 3. Plus 1 is 4. How to complete? As normal. Multiply here, see? 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 divide 3. Teacher, do we need to do long division? No. Why? Because the 3 goes 4 times to be 12. Or 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 4 as a whole number. So sometimes the answer can be whole number. Sometimes the answer can be as mixed number. So when you see this as a long division, this is long division, but this is no need to do it long division. If you do it also the same, like 6 divide 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Do minus. 6 minus 6 is 0. So just the answer is whole number 3. So no problem if you do it. Please copy the answer here. I will let you 2 minutes to copy now, or you can stop the video and then copy the whole answers. But please make sure that you understand by solving the same question by yourself. So you can stop the video now and you can go to your book page 563 and solve by yourself. See? The question is so easy. The same way we are repeating. We have only one way to do. This is the most easiest way. We need to understand how to multiply a whole number by what here? By mixed number. Make the whole number over 1. And then multiply and plus. But firstly, copy the denominator. The denominator is 4, so copy it 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's it, 9 over 4. Okay? You understand? The next page, we will check the questions down. Here, I will just erase. The next page, the next questions here down. Go with me now, please. This is the independent practice. Okay. Okay. Now, how to solve by the same way? No need to make a graph because this is harder than our way. This is, he said find each product. So the product means the answer of multiplication. So you have to multiply both. Please make it over 1 and copy it. Write first equal. This 2, make it 2 over 1. Write the multiplication sign. How to find this? As I said now, multiply and plus. First copy the 2 down. This 2 copied down. See, copied down. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay? Now we have normal fractions. We will use multiplication. Show us the way, teacher. Here multiply and here multiply also. Here, 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 2 is 2. Teacher, do we need long division? No. Why? Because 14 divided 2 is 7. How I know my answer is true? 2 times 7 is 14. Just a whole number is the answer. So when the answer is whole number, no need to make a long division. If you do it long division, the same answer will be. But just you will waste your time. See? 14 divided 2. 2 times what is 14? 2 times 7 is 14. 0. The answer is 7. That's it. How to make this? This write first equal 2. This 2 make it 2 over 1. And copy 2 over 1. This multiplication sign, copy it. And then multiply and plus. 1 times, firstly copy the 5 down. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So I call it the circle way. This is as a circle way. Firstly multiply, then plus. Multiply 1 by 5 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So now we have to understand how to get this number. Now we have to multiply as normal. Here multiplication and here also multiplication. I will select another color. 2 times 7 is 14 over 1 times 5 is 5. How to divide 14 by 5? As a long division. Why, teacher? Because there is no number. If you multiply it by 5, give you 14. So you have to do it long division. But here, there is a number. 2 times 7 is 14. So no need to make a long division here. So I will erase our long division here, no problem. I would do long division. 14 divided 5. So the numerator put it here in the middle, and the denominator put it here 5. 14 divide 5. Sorry. 5 times what? Close to 14. 5 times 2 is 10. Teacher, why we didn't multiply it by 3? Because 5 times 3 is 15. 15 is more than 14, so no need. 14 minus 10 is 4. Teacher, did we finish? Yes. Circle and error. The whole number is 2, right equals 2. And 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Okay? So now we will complete the question by the same way. Teacher, this has denominator? No, make it over 1. As normal. Here, 3 over 1. Times what, teacher? Multiply and plus. Firstly, copy the 6. This 6 copy it down. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Teacher, how we got the 11 again? By the circle way. This is, I call it circle way. Multiply, then plus. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 over 6. Just multiplication here and here. 3 times 11 is 33. 1 times 6 is 6. How to divide 33 by 6? By long division. 33 divided 6. How to use the long division here? So easy. 6 times what? 6 times what? Close to be 33. 6 times 5 is 30. 33 minus 30 is 3. Make circle and arrow. Here the circle, and here's the arrow. The whole number is what? The whole number is 5. Copied 5. And 3 over 6. 3 over 6. So the answer is 5 and 3 over 6. The answer is mixed number here. Okay? How to do this question? By the same way also. Make this 4 over 1 and copy it. 4 over 1 times. This 8 copied down first. Here, multiply, then plus. 2 times 8, 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. How to multiply? Multiply as normal. 4 times 19, if you don't know, put it up each other. 19 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 here and 3 up. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer here is 76. Divide what? Divide 8. Also the 76 is bigger than the 8, so we have to do long division. How to do long division, I will tell you now. Do long division here. You can use your copybook to show the what, to show your work outside, then copy the answer here, final answer here, no problem. 76 divided by 8. 8 times what? Close to 76. Can we try 8 times 9? Yeah. Why? Because 8 times 9 is 72. Do subtraction. 76 minus 72, how many? 4. Now, the remainder is less than the divisor, so this is the whole number and this is the fraction. 9 as a whole number and 4 over 8. We can do simplify 4 and 8 by dividing by 4, no problem. We can here divide by 4, divide by 4. The answer is 9 and 1 over 2. Here we have finished till number 8, so you have to complete the you have to stop the video and copy the answers. Then I will let you to do from number 9 till number 18. Do it in our copy books. Okay, then I will show you the answers by the end of this video. Okay, I will stop the video to show your answers after you finish. So solve, then I will show you how to finish. Here it is, the answers. Do in your copybook and then check after you finish. From 9, I said, from 9 till 18. So use your copybook to show by steps, because this is only the final answer, okay? Just I'll keep it for maybe 20 seconds. Then you can check. Now we'll go to the next page. Here, this is a good question. Joel needs 24 apples for popping at his party. How many pounds of apples does Joel need? He said here 8 apples weigh 3 3/4 pound. So how to solve this question? Here, as you see in the bag, each bag contains 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to make the 24 apples into bags? You have to divide. I will divide first 24 by 8. Teacher, why did you divide by 8? because each bag contains 8 apples. So the 24 apples will be into 3 bags. 3 what? Bags. Again, he has 24 apples. He need to put it into bags like this. The 24 will be divided into 3 bags. Why 3 bags? Because each bag contains 8 what? 8 apples. So 2 bags for 16. 3 bags for 24. That's why they are 3 bags. Okay? How to multiply 3 by 3 and 3/4? 3 times 3/4 and 3/4. So we need to multiply 3 and 3/4 by 3. How to multiply this? The 3, put it 3 over 1. So make it 3 over 1. Times. The 4, put it here, 4. 3 times 4 is what? Multiply and plus. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 15. Okay? 3 times 15, how many? 45. Over what? Over 4. Again. How to multiply 3 bags? Why we multiply 3 bags by this? Because each bag is this weight. So he has 3 what? 3 bags. So you have to multiply 3 bags by this weight. The 3, put it 3 over 1. And make the 4 down. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. How to continue? By multiplication. Multiply as normal. 3 times 15 is how many? It's 45. 3 times 15 is 45. Over what? Over 4. Now we have to do long division. 45 divided by 4. Just put underline here. 4 times what is 4 or less? 4 times 1 is 4. Do subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. Call the 5 down. 4 times what? 4 times what is close to 5. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Circle and arrow. The whole number is 11, so write equals 11 and 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Okay? This is the final answer that we have to follow the question. I will go to the next question as we select some questions here. Here, he said, which student, Lisa or Anthony, correct, found 3 times 2 and 1/4. This is Lisa and this is Anthony. 3 times 2/4, the 3 copied the same here, see? 2 and 1/4, he multiplied. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. And then he multiply as normal. This is the Lisa way. Over 1. 3 times 9 is 27. That's it. And 1 times 4 is 4. How to divide long division? He did it long division, or he did it by his way to get this way. Okay? As we said before, we can divide 27 divided 4. 4 times what? Close to be 27. 4 times what? 4 times 6. 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. The answer is 6 and 3/4. That's it. Here, this is the other way that we didn't explain, but he got the same answer, so both are correct. You hear both are correct. Okay? I'll select some questions. Here, both by the other way that we didn't explain, we have to go to the homework. This is the page of the homework. Please show me here the answers of this page from 1 to 14. I will let you 2 minutes. I'm waiting now till you finish, inshallah. So start to do now. Open your copybook and solve with me by yourself. So do your homework now. Stop the video and do by yourself, and then I will show you the answers now. Here it is, the answers of the homework, page 565. So as I said, check your answers, but do outside because this is only a final answer, okay? So this is our page, our homework page, okay? I'm waiting for your answers by steps. So do not copy, just see what you did by steps, then check. Yeah, see.